Welcome to the new video for Traveling Bunny. Today me and Kanda came to buy something to upgrade the room. Kanda want to upgrade her makeup. So to upgrade your makeup, what you plan?
I just want to remove my table and I buy new because we save space. I can keep many things from my makeup.
So she bought a makeup shelf and I bought a small table for my computer, and it was around $75. But as I bought second hand at Ikea, I only got for
second hand is show.
I only got it for $35. It's second hand. See, it's written in second hand. So I only got it for $35. It's a second hand ready for second channel. So we bought these two items. After that we will organize our room. So let's check out, right? You bring it.
And I want to show you today have many table and chair discount more than 50% and have very nice. One thing I want to buy some big table. I cannot buy because we have small room. That's why I just want to show you one thing when you want to buy something, new furniture for. Yeah.
So with the today's vlog, you will have idea how much it costs to buy a table, how much it costs you to organize your makeup section, right? So now we are going to check out. After doing checkout, we will show you our room. Kanda, bring it over.
Hey, IKEA visitors, you kind of bring a case of Sweden home.
Before go home, I want to show you about discount price and second hand price.
Second hand prices they काफी cheap ने थे. So let's go to second hand. Around adha price the फर्क आ. It's like in second hand you will get half the price of the item. Sometimes it's more than half price discount. More than around 60% discount. You will second hand the ਇਹ option है second hand life for furniture. ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਸਾਰੇ second hand items ਪਈਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ IKEA ਤੇ ਇਹ IKEA ਟੋਬੀਕੋ ਦੇ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਫਲੋਰ ਤੇ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਨੀਅਰ ਚੈੱਕਆਊਟ ਦੇ. What do you want to show in second hand, Kanda? ਆਹ ਹੁਣ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਹੈਂਡ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਹੈਂਡ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੇਅਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਹੈਂਡ ਚੇਅਰ ਆ ਤੇ $140 ਦੀ ਨਿਊ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਟਸ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ $59 ਫॉर the old one. ਤੇ ਇਹ this one is for $119 due to as it is second hand returned by customer, so they are selling for $79. This table is just for $144 and brand new price is $239. This is just for $40. Table ਦੇ ਨਾਲ sofa table ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ sofa ਤੱਕ ਪਏ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ second hand. New the price $399 है, old हैगा $280 ਦਾ. ਇਹ ਟੇਬਲ $249 ਦਾ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਹੈਂਡ ਹੋਣ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹ $160 ਦਾ ਹੀ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ. ਲੈਟਸ ਗੋ Kanda. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਹ ਸਮਾਨ ਲਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਬਿੱਲ ਆਉਂਦਾ. What do you think? What will be your total bill?
Around $100.
Around $100. Let's see.
Only $14. We have really big size.
ਇਹ ਪॉट ਅਰਾਊਂਡ $14 ਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੇ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ 4 ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਲਈਆਂ ਸੀ. 4 products are done. Around $115 total bill. You was right, Kanda. $115. You know, if we just buy a brand new table, right? Only table is 115. We save money, right? Table is only $35. Your table is sasta wa. Makeup shelf is expensive than table.
Go.
Let's go, Kanda. The ਗੱਡੀ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਲਿਆਂਦੀ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ the best thing about Ikea Etobicoke is it is not so crowded like Ikea downtown Toronto. Here you have loading zone. In loading zone you can park your car like the way I did and you can put everything inside. What you are checking, Kanda? IKEA ਦੇ clothes hanger काफ़ी strong ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. I always use IKEA clothes hanger. Audi ਦੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਗੱਲ ਆ, ਸਾਰੀ seats, all seats are flat now. So finally table ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਤੇ glass ਦੇ ਨਾਲ touch ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਜੋ main ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜੇ glass ਨਾਲ touch ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ Audi ਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿਣਾ. Seats ਅਸੀਂ fold ਕਰ ਲਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਟੇਬਲ. ਲੈਟਸ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਸ ਹਿੱਟ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ. So now we packed everything in the car. Our table is on the back. I put some clothes and bags so it don't hit the mirror of the car. So now we are going to leave to home and let's see how our room look like after having new table and new makeup rack. So I will show you in the end of the vlog so how we can organize our room. So finally we reach home and luckily we did not broke anything yet. So let's see how this makeup frame will look like, and in the meantime we will take everything to the room. So finally we came home. This is a table which we bought today. And now Kanda is going to open everything. I will show you guys after we set up everything. The reason for buying the table is this table is only for a computer, only for desktop, and I want to make it like a L shape so that I can use same chair for my laptop over here. Over here I want to put it like vertically and computer over there. I just need to slide this table to there and put it my laptop there so I can do YouTube editing and do gaming both. The thing about Ikea is Kanda bought this to keep her makeup. Best thing about Ikea is they always have a map so that you can assemble it yourself. Ikea has packed everything very fine. So let's follow these instructions and set up our table. I hope it will take around 20 minutes for her to set up her makeup table and for me around 30 minutes to set up my computer table. So finally me and Kanda, we are done with setting up the makeup table. Kanda, where is your makeup table? So ये मेरे पीछे से देख सकते हो ना makeup table. Kanda made one mistake in setting up this table. Kanda, you know your mistake or not?
I know. It's in that. It's not balanced.
Kanda दी कोई mistake हुई है. So her mistake was the center rack is not balanced. She just need to lose the screws and pull the rack little down. So this is her makeup. Kanda, you will buy new makeup now or not?
Not now.
So this was her makeup rack. And how much you paid for this?
$49.
$49 including tax. And this is my desk. Before my desk was only up to here. So I changed the location of my CPU. I have glass CPU. Before my CPU, that mining rig was on the floor So it was like this in this vlog. My CPU was here before, and now I moved everything and I cleaned my table, everything. It took around 3 hours to fix everything, right? Kanda? It take around 3 hours to fix everything, right?
Oh, 3 hours.
To set up room, because we reach home around
1 hour.
yeah, I took around 1 hour to make and fix everything. And this is my gaming desk. So here is my gaming computer, my screen, my Xbox, and my Windows laptop, and my Mac, and my Bitcoin mining rig is also here. So in upcoming days I will buy 12 graphic cards and I will set up my mining rig. So it looks like this now. Here is my gaming computer, and my gaming computer is also missing a graphic card, and my Asus screen. Everything in my computer is Asus and Corsair. This motherboard is ROG Strix of Asus, and keyboard, mouse, everything, fans, everything, air cooler, liquid water cooling, everything is of Corsair. And this case is of Armory, and that is my router on my computer case, and this is my gaming desk. Here is my Windows computer, the other computer is Mac laptop, and these two things are still pending. It's not even done, and I don't even have a gaming chair. I'm using Ikea's normal chair to do live streaming. So in the next vlog I will show you how it is done, because I need many things. I need LED strips, I need hexagon lights. It will take around 1 month more to fully set up this. So this was all about today's vlog. We will see you some another day in some another vlog.